So them have me a car, they will carry me go lock me up. Blow my phone, you buy my phone?
Give me the
You
phone.
buy my phone?
Give me the phone.
You buy my phone? You buy my phone? You buy my phone?
I'm here represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them match. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them match. Media Fox, Media Fox, Media Fox, Media Fox. Media Fox RTV. I represent for the latest music and trending news. One Media Fox.
People are going. You see me just more flashy and subscribing to people. So me I try to say, yo, me I tell you, me the hot people. Me I tell you, yeah man. Boy, I see what I go on and see what Lisa hype forward with. You see me? Accordingly, if you listen to the video, you see me?
And you admit to me say you kill my pitney, like you're not done. Think you're done pussy, and me are the done. Me are the done. Me are the done. You better beg for forgiveness for what you do to Miracle. And that me.
Yeah, this type of say, yo, allegedly KARTEL, kill her baby and whatsoever. You see me? Yeah, man, boy, Jano, yo, them need to reach out to Lisa or something like, them need to, because this is how I get worse. You see me? This really gonna get worse. This not gonna normal at all. Me I tell you. This is a serious situation. You see me? And a lot of things and see there. If you watch the video. Yeah.
Go feed the monkey and we both. Big idiot.
Mister, I'm gonna charge, right?
Charge me.
Can you take a suitcase, please?
Who you gonna mash up, miss? Who you going to mash up? Who you gonna mash up? That me I ask you. Who you gonna mash up? Who you gonna mash up? Who you gonna mash up?
Can I take a biscuit?
I want to know. Boy, think me like you know. Una corruption. Demon, you know.
Hello, miss. Hello, miss.
I know my rights, you know. At Queen's High School, me used to go. Yeah? Queen's High School, me used to go. Don't talk to me. What do you want to follow back? Oh, what do you want to follow back on me for?
Leave the airport or come with the police.
I know that you should have put your hand for me get for book you.
I'm not going to find it. There are other things to go and do.
And there's other things, so me have the power there too. Me have the power there too. Me have the power there too. Don't talk to me.
No, you should come out to the airport. You understand? Come here, sir.
Somebody's calling.
Come here, sir. Yeah, JB. Yeah, JB, you are going.
Miss, go on from beside me, no man. Go on, no man. Give me some space, man. This I make history. A history me I make, boy. Yeah. You want my shoes to eat? You want the clocks for them?
Yeah, one with
I'm going to tell you this, charge or not, you see whosoever send you no, you see whosoever send you nah get back my pussy. Chase from Stony Hill, where PNP, nah get back my pussy. KARTEL, nah get back my pussy. And that's what I want to go ride off. Hey, boy.
Will be taken down in writing and used against you.
Use against me in court. Use against me in court. I want to that big idiot police boy. Yeah.
Thank you.
I want to that big idiot. So where you walk? Go on now where you walk beside me for.
I'm gonna charge you.
Put the handcuff on me then, no?
No, you can't charge her. No.
Put the handcuff on me then.
No, at least at this. No.
Hold them here for me.
God, what you say?
Wait for Andy.
No.
Hold them here for me.
God, what you say? Go for No,
See that?
Go live. Go live, Jesus.
Her husband? Yeah, man, if your husband come with us.
Alright, so I'm aware that you don't have a ticket.
So where you carry me? You carry me at the police station?
No, I'm not taking you in the police station.
Where you want me for do?
Under the airport regulation,
Yeah.
it's an arrestable offense for you to be here.
Oh, so what me have to do? Come out of the airport?
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Miss Wa, go video no so cocky mama. Monkey. Go video your mama. Monkey. I will bust the head with my phone. I wish.
Yeah, man, if your husband come with us.
Fuck them mother.
Remember everything you say?
Gaza can go fuck them mother. You know what nights and days when you boss beat me through, me go fuck that up. Hey, you think I'm afraid to talk the things them? From that I put out me want fuck by the ex-girl there, I beer lick me get. Hey, we go, hey. Hey boy, take up my clothes to me. I'm gonna mash up my things them. Don't touch my head, body boy, don't touch my head. You now have my hand, you now hold my hand already. You spit on your ear, dirty police boy.
Hello.
So them have me a car, they want carry me go lock me up. Blow my phone, you buy my phone?
Give me the
You
phone.
buy my phone?
Give me the
You
phone.
buy my phone? You buy my phone? You buy my phone?
Lisa get arrested. But look like say she out of the airport. Seeing. I don't know if she have fly out or whatsoever, but she out there and she sit down. You see me, and the police forward, and I guess somebody report to the police. You see me, I make some call and say, yo, she dead there and she not no ticket or whatsoever. You see it. But what she do wrong still, I step to the flight. I think the people who did the flight, booking the flight and everything. You see me? She step to them and she go around at the table there with them. Put on the thing for your suitcase and wear your suitcase, you see me? Yeah man, but yo, them need to come get Lisa, I tell her. Them need to do all of this. Is what I try to say. Them need, I don't know, either KARTEL or somebody or I don't know, or DEXTA DAP. I don't know, she been a moan over DEXTA DAP or whatever. I don't know if him get her popcorn or whatever, you see me? Yeah man, this not look good at all. You see me? Cause at the step she step to the people who are booking the flight them. At that cause her forget the arrest. You see me? Cause the guy say, yo, you have to go leave. Which if she did just walk out and leave, I don't know why she out there. You see me? But if she just walk out and leaves in, everything will just resolve and she go about her business. But she in her heated, you know, woman not like certain woman and thing, you see me? So the girl them, maybe they have video or a laugh of her and them thing they get her angry. You see me? Cause them say her on the media and everything and talk and whatsoever, you see me? So she just feel away and just step to one of them, you see me? And you know, fear it cheap already. You see it? But we there, remember, you know, people, remember say we there now. You see it? Remember say we there when when KARTEL come from prison, everybody a link up. She body man, everybody, Lisa I Spice, everybody a link up and thing, you know, one. It's so funny. You see, sometimes I wonder what really go on in Gaza thing, you know. Can you imagine? Remember, you know, Lisa I say she usually carry food go get KARTEL a prison or whatsoever, you see me? And do look running up and down and way. See? Because if you see the picture of them, you can say KARTEL rate and show KARTEL. You see it. But if you realize, you see, when you dip on your face, you will see the true friend. You see me? Cause me see some picture on the internet, see, with Sheba, Hindu, all of them. You see me? But for sure, say yo, when she dip on her downtime, nobody know business about her or whatever. I don't know if people reach out, but I know say people throw them jams and all of them little things there, you see me? And yo, she's just a woman, she'll go through a lot, man. I don't feel like say she mad or anything. It's just, you see when the whole world down by you see me? And when people are saying you're mad and whatever, you see it, not knowing say yo, you are go through a thing where them not understand and what them not know about. You see me? Yeah, because allegedly she say yo, a cartel kill her baby or whatever. I don't know, the baby must be away with DEXTA that thing. You see me? That she say. So, and where she say yo, DEXTA that does a move on with female life when he mash up fair life with she and cartel basically. You see me? So, that cause one I saga car. She say yo, him do song about X thing or whatever, you see me? Lick her chip. You see it? But she needs somebody to really sit down and, you see me, I don't think nobody really reach out to her. And really get serious car. So she get locked up there. You see me? She get locked up. You see me, I don't know who will bail her. You see it? Maybe tomorrow she'll get bail and thing. You see, they maybe get her charge her, you see me? Yeah, they might charge her based on the incident to go on at the airport. You see it? Yeah, they might go do that. But for sure, so when you dip on your face, you really know who truly rate you. You see me? And I know enough people maybe rate her and really they're on her. You see me? Like that for you see it. And she just needs somebody for reason. She just feel like say, yo, she get neglect and, you know, Cartel and follow her, Shantam and follow her. All of them look at, I remember telling you, know, remember when Cartel got one big unite, you know, and she and Cartel they everywhere. And if you see it, you know, everything just well done, you know, you see me? Yeah, man. But the situation I get worse. It really get worse, you know. You see me? It really get worse. You see it? And the worst thing, you know want she have to end herself or whatsoever, you see me? Because that would be a good outcome. You see me? And I feel like the people them way she want them to reach out to her, just not reach out to her. You see me? Because it seems like DEXTA really want to get back into the mix or whatsoever, you see it? Because she say, oh, she saved DEXTA from, I don't know, from some spirit or whatever, you see it? But people need to reach out to her and call her and certain little things, you see it? But the people them have to do it, not do it, you see me? Them just try to avoid her, you see it? And who knows, like, maybe the stuff what she feel like, say, she been doing is like people just dash her away, say, you see me? Because remember saying, this has stem up from the little bag incident, the money thing, you see me? Which, if you watch a video, there's nothing there. Like, she remember say she forward out and say, oh, Cartel get her $4 million, you see me? So me say, yo, like, if she and Cartel found from far. So why she want thief money from Cartel? You see me? Cartel been giving her money. So, thieving from right in front of a crowd of people or whatever. But you can see, say, yo, from day one, them maybe not to rate her on a certain level. Worse when she do around Cartel or link with Cartel or certain things. You see it? Yeah, man. But you can see, say, she angry with Cartel. You see me? But we don't really know what going on behind doors. You see it? I just what she forward out and I say. You see me? Yeah. What she forward out and I say, but if you see the little video them and certain little things, see, you realize, say, yo, the way how them move, the way them take picture together, you know, say, yo, them well connected. You see, come back, so she forward out and say, yo, him breed her, and I guess she take her pill or whatever, you see me? And thing get sorted out. So, I don't know, get to find out, say she, as you see the video will pass, get to find out, say, yo, she say, yo, baby or whatever, get any, you see me? Yeah, from out her belly or whatever, you see me? Yeah, man, so. They need to get her help, people. I tell her, because this is going to reach to a stage, you know, where we don't really want to hear happen to her. You see, it kind of get too worse, you know. You see me? Police all get involved and all of them look at things there. That not look good. You see it? But the people them who reach out to her still, you know, because we don't want to hear no sad news. You see it? Because when as a man who holds certain things, one not go hold that. You see me? And I must something go and make she feel some type of way too. You see it? Yeah, man. Must some type of way she feel. You see me? So, I need to reach out, man. Either Cartel reach out to her, or Popcorn, as she say, or DEXTA. But I feel like a DEXTA she really want to reach out to her still. You see me? DEXTA. If DEXTA call her and say, yo, I'm sorry, or whatever, maybe things are kind of ease down. You see me? Because she been want to link him up. You see me? I don't know if maybe that's why she did at the airport for lift off or whatever. But even people you don't know. Boy, I don't know what's going on in the media right now in the car. It look good. It's like Lisa take over media man with that 24/7 live man. You see me? She not eased up, she had this everybody. You see me? One time she had a call out Aishan and it's like she say yo Aishan and KARTEL and Scatter Saga. You see me? Yeah man. She call out everybody. Everybody she call out and that this and all of them look at thing, but they need to get her. They need to talk reason with her still. You see me? Them can't just neglect them have to just forgive her, you see it? Them can't just neglect her so. You see me? Cause remember them did a power with you when KARTEL found out, Everybody happy, everybody a link up, everybody a do this, everybody a do that. You see me? So after a sudden now if you see all of this take place like nobody no care again and all of them look at thing there, you see me? Cause if you realize event she event, cause sometimes she depend on her live and she just play two music and just go on easy. You see me? And sometimes people make the comment in that thing and she see it and just chigger off her head. You see me? Because you don't know certain people like our enemy forward and seeing people go comment on our Instagram live and thing and just chigger certain things again, you see me? Which that not good. When you see she calm down and every little thing, just keep the thing peaceful, man, you see me? Because when I say something where we chigger off her head. Because when I time I think me that watch it live and it's like somebody I say yo, like somebody I say something, I don't know if it's something about shorty or if it's something about more awards or something. But I realize she don't really pay that no mind. You see me? She does somebody says something and she starts smiling and everything, but yo, me I tell her. But I realize yo, I don't know if people don't understand say yo, she does a vent on the internet. Cause rather than keep it in and she go do something crazy to herself, she come on the social media. Cause remember, maybe she feel lonely, she don't have nobody to talk to. So what she do, she just stay on the social media and just vent and talk. You see me? Just talk. So the whole world and know what go on and hear what go on. You see me? Cause she don't want nobody, she don't trust nobody. All of them look at thing there. You see it? So if you watch it there, she got up on the live. You see it? Cause it look like that did go on and the police come over watch it there. You see me? And it look like, somebody at the airport call the police. You see it? And then after that, when them go outside now, you another police jeep a drive up. Ooh. You see me? And that's how comes. But Jano, she very naive, man, cause when she did the police, it's like one bag of thing. You see me? And she end up going at the jeep and them video try to take her phone and all of them look at thing there, you see me? Yeah man. So things don't look good at all. You see it? She just need to relax, but it look like she relax at all. I tell her she not ease up. She not ease up, man. You see me? But it don't look good for you all guys that turn her back on her still, you see me? Them just the right people need to just call her and say, look yeah, them sorry. Just to get her calm down and go back. You see me? But we know say some people nah go do that, them just don't want to go back down the road with her again. You see me? Yeah. And you don't know KARTEL there in England and I call him more bad. I know say I'm not really focus on that right now. You see me? I'm not going to focus on she till she calm down or something. You see me? Yeah, cause you must rate her, far them forward from. You see it? So look at incident and she had do her look at thing and I move around and look, but Jaja, I tell you, rough out there. Artist life not easy. You see it? Yeah man, artist life not easy, man. You see me? Cause yo, and the child which she really use, it left a mark on her now. She can't get over that. You see me? And each time she think about it, it just make everything worse. You see it? That will left a mark, that will left a person for just vicious like. You see me? And then I pray somebody and I say, yo, what really are going on? You see me? But they need to reach out to her, man. Need to reach out now, cause how much do you know? She go up on live and attack one bag of thing. You see me? Yeah, man, them need to reach out, man. Them can't make sure they there and event every day on the social media. You see me? Cause maybe one day she go say something with enough of on the media too. You see me? To the other, I say I push to the limit. You see it? Yeah, man, cause see there. Me just know say some police they gonna get involved in it. Cause I say, yo, this I get serious, You see me? Rest of the time she call up Andrew name and I say about badness and all of them good thing there, you see me? So I know say some issue or something I go on. You see me? I know say some police or some I will get involved and she go. Cause yo, she not ease up and she did the police in my way. You see me? Yeah man, she did the police in my way, man. But we know say she angry and thing. But me don't know why she there at the airport though. And she not on a ticket. Me don't know what go on. You see me? I don't know what go on at all, but people, that social media thing, it have a moment where it will lift you up You see me? We break you and make you, man. You see me? Yeah, man, we break you and make you, man. You see it? Yeah, man, cause you don't look good at all. You don't look good at all. And I don't know how long she will keep up at do this. You see me? Them need to sort out that I reach out to her. You see me? As me say, if Cartel can reach and say, yo, her, or especially DEXTA, that because me know say him she really there. Focus, man. You see me? All of that could have get sorted out. You see it? Yeah, man. But she's a woman. You see me? So, right now, you know, some people are comment and say you're warmty and you're mad and all of them. Them think they can check out certain things. You see, cause I feel like I just neglect what she get from DEXTA. You see me? And what went down with her pregnancy and all of them little things. Them think they check out certain things. You see it? Yeah, man. Check out certain things. So, all of that just a boil up in her body. You see me? Yeah, man. Cause ask any woman out there when them lose a child, what that do to them mentally. You see me? Yeah, man. Ask any woman out there what that do to them. You see it? Cause it's not a good look at all. Yeah, man. It's not a good look. But people you don't know, you know. And Media Facts, you know, remember for like, share, and subscribe. You see it? Yeah, man. Media hot. I tell you. Bag of drama, one bag of thing. You see it? Yeah, man. But people don't know. Stay safe out there. Big up on yourself. You see me? That is it.